In this video, we will solve a numerical problem on the impact of per unit taxes on supply and the corresponding tax revenue. The question is, in a competitive market where supply function is being given as P is equal to 3 plus 0.25 Q, P is the price, Q is the output, and demand function is P is equal to 15 minus 0.75 Q, the government imposes a per unit tax of $4. Okay, so we have per unit tax of $4. How much of a price rise will this mean to the consumers? We want to find out the additional price that the consumers have to pay and what will be the total tax revenue for the government. Okay, so what we are being given, we are being given the demand function as P is equal to 3 plus 0.25 Q. Okay, and supply function is P is equal to 15 minus 0.75 Q. My mistake, this is demand function. Okay, and first one is supply function. Okay, now initially what will be the equilibrium condition? That supply should be equal to demand. Okay, we are seeing the scenario before the imposition of per unit tax. So equating these two, that is 3 plus 0.25 Q with 15 minus 0.75 Q. Transposing this 0.75 Q here, so 0.75, 0.25, it will become Q should be equal to 15 minus 3 will come out to be, so 15 minus 3 will come out to be 12 obviously. Okay, so Q is equal to 12, and what will be the price then? P will be equal to, just plug Q is equal to 12 either in demand function, supply function or demand function. Let's put it in supply function. So we have 3 plus 0.25, the value of Q is 12, so this is 3.25 means 25% of 12 is 3, so 3 plus 3 comes out to be 6. That means initially the equilibrium will occur when price is 6 and quantity produced is 12, and on the graph it will look like this. Let's draw the graph. On this side we have the quantity, price on this side. We have the demand function as its intercept of 15. So let us draw the demand function here. Then we have the supply function. Okay, so let's draw the supply function like this. So this is supply function, this is our demand function. Initially the equilibrium occurs when quantity produced is 12 and price is 6. Now what happens if per unit tax, okay, let me write it here, per unit tax of $4 is imposed. What happens if per unit tax is imposed? That means each quantity would be offered for sale by the suppliers at the old price plus the amount of tax. Okay, so old price is, that means what we need to do here, we need to find out the new supply function. Okay, so new supply function will be P will be equal to, okay, when per unit tax of $4 is being imposed, consumers, rather the suppliers, will charge a price, that is old price plus the amount of tax. So this is our supply function, that is 3 plus 0.25 Q plus the tax amount. So tax is being charged as $4. That means new supply function will be 4 plus 0.25 Q. Okay, so let me explain it again. If per unit tax is imposed, that is $4 here, each quantity would be offered for sale by suppliers at the old price, okay, plus the amount of tax, which is $4 here. Okay, in this case the tax is $4, so the supply schedule or supply function will shift upwards by 4. Okay, initially our intercept was 3, Okay, so 4 plus 3 is 7. So our supply function will be something like it will be here. Let us say this is our new supply function. Okay, supply function with tax. So what we need to do now, so let us say this is our new supply function with tax. Now we equate new supply function with tax with our demand function, that is with old demand function. So demand function has not changed at all. So new supply function is this 7 plus 0.25q, and we equate it with demand function, that is, so actually this is the demand function, I get confused here. 15 minus 0.75q. Okay, again 0.75 plus 0.25 is q. 15 minus 7, so it comes out to be 8. So q will be equal to 8. Now with the imposition of per unit tax of $4, quantity transacted in this market is only $8. Okay, and what is the price then? So price will be equal to, just plug the value of q is equal to 8 either in the new supply function or in the demand function. Let us take this in the supply function. So we have 7 plus 0.25, so quantity transacted is 8. So P will be equal to 0.25 minus 2. So again, now that means new price will be 9. So here the new price will be equal to 9. Okay, so consumers, how much price that consumers have to pay extra? So initially consumers were paying, so initially consumers were paying a price of $6. Okay, or let me write it here, before tax. Okay, before tax, before tax the price was $6. After tax, the new price is $9. That means they have to pay extra, that is 9 minus $6. That means now $3. That means they require $3 extra at a new equilibrium when per unit tax of $4 has been imposed. Okay, now you know that tax rate was 4. Okay, out of this consumers are paying 3 units or $3. So sellers will receive $1 less than the equilibrium price. Obviously 3 plus 1 will be equal to 4. So initially sellers were getting $6 as tax. Okay, so this was for buyers. For sellers before tax the price that they were getting was $6. After taxes, how much they will get? Since consumers are paying 3, that means sellers will receive 6 minus 1, that is $5 of price. Okay, and one another way is, I hope I am making here sense. Since tax per unit tax is 4, buyers are paying $3. That means sellers have to pay $1. Okay, so before the tax sellers were getting a price of 6. Since they have to pay 1 additional unit towards the government, that means after tax the price that sellers will get is 6 minus 5, which comes out to be 5. Okay, here you can also draw it simply by just if we plug the new quantity transacted, that means q dash is equal to 8 in old supply function to get the intercept here. Okay, old supply function is This is our old supply function, that is our price that sellers will receive will be equal to 3 plus 0.25 of 8. So 0.25 of 8 is 2, so that's the 5. That means price that sellers will receive is 5. Okay, that means here it will be 5. Okay, now so this 3, okay, will be paid by the consumers, and 6 minus 5 is $1 here, it will be paid by the suppliers. Okay, so total tax is 9 minus 5, which comes out to be 4. So uh, this line is $4. Okay, that means tax revenue will be equal to tax rate times quantity transacted, new quantity transacted. So tax rate was $4 and quantity transacted is 8. That gives us $32 as the tax revenue for the government. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.